If you're looking for everyday essentials that make life easier, more efficient, and a little more enjoyable, you're in the right place. Today we're going through some of the best finds for your home, kitchen, and daily routine. Products that bring convenience, style, and functionality all in one. Whether it's smart kitchen gadgets, space-saving organizers, or must-have tools, we've got something for everyone. And as always, you can find all the links to these products in the description down below. Let's get started. The Personal Bullet Smoothie Blender is a powerhouse in a compact size, delivering 1,000 watts of blending power to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and create creamy smoothies in seconds. It comes with 24-ounce portable travel cups, allowing you to blend your drink and take it on the go without extra mess. The design is sleek and space-saving, perfect for small kitchens or anyone who wants a hassle-free way to make nutritious drinks. The motor is strong and durable, producing smooth textures every time, making it a great choice for those who love protein shakes, fruit smoothies, or quick meal replacements. If you need a high-performance blender without the bulk of a full-sized one, this is a solid investment. For those who love perfectly cooked rice and versatile meal options, the Bare Rice Cooker is an excellent choice. With a 2-liter capacity, it's ideal for small households, meal prepping, or anyone who enjoys a variety of grains. It features 6 cooking functions, allowing you to prepare white and brown rice, quinoa, oatmeal, soups, and even cake with ease. Using advanced fuzzy logic technology, it ensures even cooking every time, preventing overcooking or undercooking. The 24-hour preset and keep warm function make it incredibly convenient for busy schedules, allowing you to have warm, perfectly cooked meals whenever you're ready. If you enjoy making homemade treats, this mini donut maker machine is a fun and practical addition to your kitchen. This small but efficient appliance allows you to bake 7 mini donuts at a time, perfect for breakfast, snacks, or dessert. The non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup and prevents sticking, making the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. It heats up quickly so you can whip up fresh donuts in just a few minutes without needing to preheat an oven. Whether you're making classic flavors or experimenting with healthier recipes, this donut maker is a great way to get creative in the kitchen. For an organized and clutter-free kitchen, this sponge holder for kitchen sink is a simple yet effective solution. Made from rust-proof 304 stainless steel, this sink caddy is designed to keep your sponges, soap, and brushes neatly stored while allowing them to dry properly. Unlike traditional sponge holders, it includes a high brush holder, adding extra versatility for different cleaning tools. The sturdy construction ensures durability, while the open design allows for quick drainage, preventing moisture buildup and mildew. If you're looking to maximize space and keep your sink area tidy, this is a great addition to any kitchen. If you need a reliable and stylish way to carry your meals, this lunch bowl is a top choice. This plastic-free stainless steel container is designed for durability and convenience, featuring a leak-proof, airtight, lockable lid to prevent spills. Its 650 milliliter capacity makes it ideal for salads, grain bowls, pasta, or meal prep portions, providing enough space for a satisfying meal. Unlike plastic containers, this lunch bowl is microwave safe, oven safe, and dishwasher safe, making it a more sustainable and long-lasting option. Whether you're taking lunch to work, school, or on the go, this sleek and functional container keeps your food fresh and secure. A double induction cooktop is a great addition to any kitchen, dorm, or even a camping setup. With 1,800 watts of power spread across 2 burners, this cooktop provides fast and efficient heating. It features 5 temperature modes and 7 power options, allowing precise control for different types of cooking. The included non-stick cast iron griddle pan is perfect for grilling meats, vegetables, or making breakfast favorites like pancakes and eggs. Compact and portable, this cooktop is ideal for those who need extra cooking space or a flexible cooking solution without the bulk of a full-size stove. For those who love a perfect slice of toast, a smart touch screen toaster offers a sleek and modern way to get consistently browned bread. It features wide slots that accommodate bagels, thick slices, and artisan bread, while 6 browning levels ensure you get the exact crispiness you prefer. The reheat and defrost functions add extra convenience, letting you warm up cold toast or defrost frozen bread without overcooking. A removable crumb tray makes cleanup easy, keeping your countertop tidy. The stylish retro design combined with modern features makes this a great choice for any kitchen. A non-stick cookware set is an essential for any home cook, and this 10-piece ceramic-coated set offers long-lasting durability with a design that is free of harmful chemicals. The extended life non-stick surface allows for easy cooking and cleaning while requiring less oil, making meals healthier. Each piece is oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with induction cooktops, providing versatility for various cooking techniques. Whether you're frying, sauteing, or simmering, this cookware set ensures even heat distribution and reliable performance for everyday use. Straining pasta, vegetables, or soups is effortless pots with a clip-on pot strainer. This compact and sturdy stainless steel strainer attaches securely to pots of all sizes, allowing you to drain liquids without needing a separate colander. The clip-on design makes it easy to use with one hand, simplifying meal prep and reducing mess. Unlike traditional strainers that take up cabinet space, this sleek and practical tool saves storage space while offering maximum convenience in the kitchen. For precise and stylish hot water preparation, a gooseneck electric kettle with temperature control is a must-have. With 5 preset temperature options, this kettle ensures the perfect heat level for coffee, tea, or other hot beverages. The stainless steel interior prevents contamination from plastic, while the 1200-watt heating element quickly brings water to a boil. The 0.8-liter capacity is ideal for personal use or small gatherings, and the ergonomic pour-over spout allows for controlled pouring, perfect for coffee enthusiasts. Whether you're making a morning cup of tea or brewing a delicate pour-over coffee, this kettle provides both precision and convenience. A 3-in-1 breakfast maker station is a game-changer for anyone who wants to streamline their morning routine. With dual griddles for cooking eggs, bacon, pancakes, or breakfast sandwiches, and a built-in 2-slice toast drawer, this appliance allows you to prepare a full meal at once. The ceramic non-stick surface ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, while the adjustable timer makes cooking simple and hassle-free. Whether you're in a rush or enjoying a leisurely breakfast, this all-in-one station saves time and space in the kitchen. For those who love hosting gatherings or just enjoy a perfectly grilled hot dog, a stainless steel hot dog roller with 7 rollers can cook up to 18 hot dogs at once. The dual temperature controls allow for cooking on one side while keeping the other side warm, making it perfect for serving guests. The glass hood and acrylic cover keep food fresh and protected, while the removable oil drip tray ensures easy cleanup. With 1050 watts of power, this commercial-grade roller is great for home use, small events, or even concession stands. An over-the-sink colander strainer basket is an essential tool for washing vegetables, rinsing pasta, or drying dishes efficiently. The extendable design allows it to fit over most sinks, providing a stable and space-saving solution for draining water without needing extra counter space. Made from durable materials, it holds a variety of foods while ensuring easy rinsing and straining. Whether prepping ingredients for cooking or simply washing fresh produce, this colander offers convenience and versatility for any kitchen. Making homemade yogurt has never been easier with a Greek yogurt maker that features a built-in strainer and digital timer control. The stainless steel inner pot ensures even heating, while the included 2 glass jars provide a perfect portioning system. This machine allows you to create organic, preservative-free yogurt, cheese, or even fruit wine, giving you complete control over ingredients and flavors. The automatic function makes the process effortless, resulting in creamy, healthy yogurt with minimal effort. A compact air fryer is a must-have for anyone looking to enjoy crispy, flavorful food with less oil. With a sleek black and gold design, this high-end appliance brings a stylish touch to any kitchen while delivering powerful 1000-watt performance. The 2.1 quart capacity is perfect for small households or quick meals, allowing you to cook a variety of dishes, from fries to chicken, with minimal effort. Its small size saves counter space, making it a practical addition to any kitchen focused on healthier cooking. Cushioned anti-fatigue kitchen mats are a must-have for anyone who spends long hours standing while cooking, cleaning, or working. Designed to reduce pressure on the feet, knees, and lower back, these mats provide ergonomic support for kitchen floors, laundry rooms, or even office spaces. The waterproof and non-skid design ensures safety, while the durable material makes them easy to clean. Whether you're washing dishes or preparing meals, these mats offer comfort and stability throughout the day. An adjustable measuring spoon simplifies cooking and baking with its space-saving design. The sliding handle allows for quick volume adjustments, measuring wet ingredients from 1 milliliter up to 15 milliliters and dry ingredients from 1/4 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. Easy-to-read indicators ensure accuracy, and the spoon dismantles effortlessly for cleaning. By replacing multiple measuring spoons with just one tool, this is a practical addition to any kitchen. Controlling oil usage while cooking is easier with a 2-in-1 oil sprayer and dispenser bottle. The 16-ounce premium glass container features a food-grade mister, making it ideal for air frying, salads, grilling, and pan frying. Its dual-function design allows for both precise pouring and fine misting, ensuring even distribution and less waste. Whether you need a light coating or a steady pour, this bottle brings efficiency and convenience to any kitchen. Making healthier gravies and broths is effortless with a fat separator that includes a built-in strainer. The stopper keeps fat out of the liquid, while the fine mesh strainer catches any unwanted bits. A raised shield prevents spills, and measurement markings make it simple to follow recipes. With a comfortable non-slip handle, this separator is easy to use and ensures smooth, controlled pouring, perfect for homemade stocks and sauces. Fresh juice is easier to make with a 500-watt centrifugal juicer featuring a wide mouth feed chute. The 3-inch opening accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time and making juicing more convenient. Made from stainless steel and BPA BPA-free materials, it ensures safe and high-quality performance. With an easy-to-clean design and multiple speed options, this juicer is perfect for creating nutrient-packed drinks with minimal effort. Making fresh dairy-free beverages is simple with an automatic nut milk maker that features a 35-ounce capacity and 10 high-speed blades, whether crafting almond, oat, or soy milk. This machine offers auto operation with a 12-hour timer, allowing for convenient preparation. The included nut milk bag ensures smooth results, while an easy cleaning function saves time after use. With a keep warm setting and a recipe guide, it's an excellent tool for anyone looking to enjoy homemade plant-based alternatives. A food dehydrator with 6 stainless steel trays is perfect for preserving fruits, vegetables, and meats. The digital temperature control reaches up to 190 degrees Fahrenheit, providing efficient drying for beef jerky, mushrooms, and even homemade yogurt. Its built-in light allows for easy monitoring, while the 500-watt power ensures consistent results. Whether for meal prepping or creating healthy snacks, this dehydrator offers versatility and precision. Preparing nutritious baby food is effortless with a one-step baby food processor that combines steaming and blending in a single unit. This device automatically cooks and purees ingredients, simplifying homemade meals for infants. A self-cleaning function makes maintenance hassle-free, while the touchscreen controls ensure ease of use. Ideal for parents looking to make fresh, preservative-free baby food, this machine streamlines the process from start to finish. Homemade soups in under 18 minutes are possible with a compact soup maker featuring a 1.2-liter capacity. Designed to make 2 to 4 servings, it offers 6 preset programs and advanced Soup Pro technology for perfect consistency. The black and stainless steel finish adds a sleek touch, and the included recipe book provides inspiration for a variety of meals. With an easy-to-clean design, this soup maker is a convenient addition to any kitchen. Cooking crispy, golden meals with little to no oil is easy with a 6.8-quart air fryer that features 12 cooking functions. Its dual-blaze technology ensures 360-degree heat distribution, eliminating the need for shaking or preheating. With modes for baking, roasting, and broiling, it offers versatility beyond frying. The dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup, and access to over 100 app-based recipes provides endless meal ideas for healthier cooking. Baking homemade dishes is easier with a 4-piece porcelain bakeware set, featuring rectangular pans in sizes ranging from 9.4 to 14.7 inches. Designed for everything from lasagnas to cakes, these ceramic dishes provide even heat distribution and a stylish orange finish. They are oven-safe and easy to clean, making them a reliable choice for any kitchen. The durable porcelain resists chipping and cracking, ensuring long-term use for frequent bakers. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or preparing a family meal, this set offers durability and versatility. Opening cans and sharpening knives is hassle-free with a multifunctional electric can opener. It features a stainless steel blade for smooth cutting and a built-in knife sharpener for added convenience. The removable cutting lever makes cleaning easy, while integrated cord storage keeps countertops tidy. It also includes a jar and bottle opener, making it a practical all-in-one kitchen tool. With the ability to handle jars and bottles as well, this device streamlines meal prep and kitchen tasks. Washing and storing fruits and vegetables is more efficient with a multifunctional draining basket that includes a lid and foldable handle. Designed for use in sinks, refrigerators, or countertops, it works as a colander, storage container, and salad prep bowl. The durable construction allows for easy rinsing and draining, while the compact design saves space in the kitchen. Its foldable handle provides added convenience for carrying and storage, making it perfect for busy kitchens. Whether prepping ingredients or keeping produce fresh, this basket simplifies food preparation. Heating water for tea or coffee is fast and precise with an electric kettle featuring 5 temperature presets and LED indicator lights. Its 1.8-liter glass design includes a removable tea infuser, making it ideal for loose leaf brewing. A 360-degree swivel base adds convenience, while stainless steel accents ensure durability. The automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection adds safety, preventing overheating or accidental burns. BPA-free materials and an automatic shutoff function provide safety for everyday use. Adding motion-activated lighting to closets, cabinets, or hallways is simple with a set of 5 rechargeable LED lights. These wireless, dimmable fixtures offer a bright 5,700 Kelvin glow and can be controlled with a remote for added customization. The USB charging capability eliminates the need for batteries, and their sleek, modern design blends seamlessly into any space. With adjustable brightness levels, these lights offer flexible illumination to suit different needs. Whether for home organization or added visibility in dark areas, they provide a practical lighting solution. That wraps up our list of Amazon everyday essentials. Hopefully you found something that fits your needs and helps make your daily life a little easier. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which product caught your eye. And remember, all the links to these items are in the description below, so check them out if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.